doing a quick little review for you guys on a really cool product that I got recently. They are the Mood Matcher lipsticks. If you guys are familiar with this brand, it has been around since 1987 for a very long time. And the whole idea is that there are all these funky colors. Like there's blue, there's orange, there's green, like an almost black looking color. And when you put them on, they react to your body temperature and change to create your own custom shade. So if you guys have used any such product, I can think of so many other products that I have used like this that are so expensive. These are all within $10 each. Very rich looking colors for your lips that last 12 hours or more. So in a time right now where everybody's all about liquid lipstick, everybody's all about long wearing, transfer proof, etc., I think that the reason for why it's such a cool product is because it's so affordable and it does all of those things. My biggest thing is that I always want a lipstick that is not going to transfer, because right now I'm wearing Dark Side by MAC, and I know you guys are going to ask, but I just took a sip of water and look what happened. And I've literally ruined so many glasses at home because of this, so I definitely like to be really cautious of what I'm wearing on my lips, especially if I'm going to be eating or drinking. So I wanted to show you guys a few of these super affordable lipsticks. So I'm going to show you guys the duos that I have right here. So these are lipsticks that have two sides to each one, and each side that you put on would give you a different color. Right here, so this one's blue and pink, and this one's yellow and pink. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off what I'm wearing right now and start swatching them for you guys on my lips. The only problem that I'm worried about is that they are so long lasting and they kind of end up staining your lips a little bit, so I hope that you're able to truly see what color it really is giving me. So let's test this out. So here I have nothing on right now. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the gold and pink one here. So I'm gonna put on the gold first. And you guys can see there's no color coming on right now. You can't see gold all over your lips, but it's already changing and reacting. I can see a gold sheen because this one definitely has a sheen to it. Right there. So you can definitely see that. And I'm seeing that it's becoming a light pink color. I'm going to put on another coat to make it a little bit darker. So this one became a super, super natural, I would say coral type of color with a little bit of gold sheen to it. And what I like the most about this is that it's very natural looking. It doesn't look like you've tried so hard or that it's such a like strong lipstick type of color, because it's not. I can still see my natural lip color through it as well. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the other side now. I'm going to show you guys when I took it off, that's the color that I could see on this wet wipe. So that's basically the color that it was showing up on my lips. But I do have pigmented lips. It's always a little bit difficult to see colors on my lips, but that's what it was looking like. Then I'm going to go ahead and put on the pink side. And a thing to note is that they're so moisturizing. It feels like a lip balm. It doesn't feel like a lipstick at all. It feels like you're putting on a balm. And that makes it a really, really comfortable wear. Okay, so what I noticed with this one is that this reacted much faster to my lips and it gave me a much stronger color. This is like a raspberry sort of color for my lips. It reacted instantly and I really like this color. It's a much darker, it's like a fuchsia pink type color, so this is the perfect color for fall. So it's already staining my lips now, which shows you guys how long lasting it is. And I'm going to go ahead and try this one on too. I don't know if they have names. I guess you just go by the way it looks. So this has some like pearlized silver, so I can see that on my lips right now. And by the way, these are $6, so super, super, super affordable. So this is what the blue side looks like. This is almost a more blue tone fuchsia for me. So it's definitely got that pink, that bright pink sort of look, but with a definite blue undertone to it. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do is just mix in the other pink side and just see if it gets darker. The ease of application of these is absolutely amazing. It just feels like lip balm. So yeah, I can definitely see that it got a lot darker. So I can see, sorry, I'm just like seeing lights everywhere. I just took a couple of stills for you guys. But I can definitely see that it's gotten a couple of shades darker. And this is probably the darkest one out of all of them so far. I'm also going to swatch this in my hand so that way you guys can see what color it turns. Also, I forgot to mention this is completely transfer proof And I love that because I remember when I was in New York recently, my cousin was with me and he wanted to buy lipsticks for his girlfriend, and he was like, I need something that's not going to just like get all over my face when she kisses me, and I just hate that and blah blah. So I know what I recommended him, that those were so expensive, but this is a much cheaper alternative to the same sort of thing. So completely transfer proof. I will show you guys in a second once it's set in how it really does not budge, and it doesn't like come off any of the glasses and stuff that you drink from. So here is what it looks like on my hand. You guys can see it's like a nice coral color, and it looks like it's turning into pink. And my lips too. This is probably the lightest one out of all of them. It is looking pink here just because I think that you can't really see the actual color because of the fact that my lips got stained before this, but this is definitely a pretty corally light pink color. And I'm going to show you guys these ones as well. These are the twist up sticks, and there's a green one, there's a blue one, there's a coral one, and these are $8. It's basically the exact same formula, it's just in different packaging so that way you don't go outside the lines of your lips. I'm gonna go ahead and try to put on the green one and hope that something does show up for you guys. These colors are so pigmented, you guys, and the fact that they stain your lips so much shows that they really do last. And this one, by the way, got darker. But the fact that they last that well is a big deal because that means it's gonna be much more than 12 hours. The other day when I was wearing this, I know I put this on after I filmed a video, so it must have been around 4 or 5 p.m. And when I went to sleep and I took it off, it basically looked the exact same as when I had it on. I have swatched the second one right here, and I'm gonna wait to see what that turns out to look like. So it looks like the green one turned into more of like an apricot color. It's almost like a darker orange going into red, but not super opaque. And then this one turned into a light pink. That's almost probably like the middle of the spectrum of pinks, like it's closer to white. So if you had like my lip color and you keep adding white to make it lighter, that's what that one would look like. You guys can see like how different those two look, and I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them with the others too so you can see what they look like. So the blue, which is this one right here, is right here. So it's a really light, almost lilac-y pink color, and you can definitely see a blue undertone to it. This is almost a rust color, is what I would say it looks like, and it is this super dark grayish black color. So that basically is going to look like a rustish sort of color. I'm going to show you guys that it does not transfer. Also, this is my old lipstick stain, and you guys can see nothing has transferred. So that's a big one for me. So if you guys want to check out something super affordable, be sure to check out their website. I will link that down below. And if you guys have tried them out, let me know what you guys think. It will basically look different on every single person, which I think is really fun. So thank you guys so much for joining me. If you have any comments or questions, post down below and I'll be sure to get back to you guys. Bye!